Hello students, today we will discuss about the chapter 2. The topic is polynomial. Now we will learn about what are the polynomials. In the earlier classes we have learned algebraic expressions, additions, multiplication, subtraction, division. We have already learned about the algebraic identities. Everybody knows about the algebraic identities. In this chapter, we again learn the algebraic identities, but this time I am telling which we have learned in the earlier classes, like x plus y whole square. We know the formula is x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is an algebraic expression. Now we are talking about the polynomials. A particular type of algebraic expression is called a polynomial. What is the meaning of particular type? It means every algebraic expression cannot say that this is a polynomial. I will tell what is the reason behind that. But now I am telling how we make the polynomials or algebraic expression. There are some constants like 2, 3, any number you can take. These are the constants. Some are the variables, like we are taking x, y, z, a, b, c, or p, q, r, many more you can take. But here we are assuming only x, y, z are the variables. If I am writing here 2x, 3z, 5z or 5y and so on, these all are the terms. Terms means combination of constant with variable is called the terms. Terms, we can say x, y, z, these are also the terms if they are single written. Now if we are adding the 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms, then they makes the category of a polynomial. Now everything we are saying that this is a polynomial. We are writing here 2x plus 3y plus 8. 2x plus 3y plus 8. This is a polynomial of 3 terms. First term is 2x, second term is 3y, and the third term is 8. If we are writing only, suppose 3x plus 5, this is also a polynomial. It has only 2 terms. One term is 3x and second term is 5. Now in this expression 2x, it means 2x is the combination of 2 and x. 2 is the constant, x is the variable. But if we are writing it 2x, it means 2 is the coefficient of x. If anybody asks what is the coefficient of x, then our answer is 2. What is the coefficient of y? The answer is 3. And what is 8? It is only a constant term because there is no variable with 8, so that 8 is the constant term. But if any variable is multiplied by the constant, then it becomes the coefficient of that variable. If now, what about the zero polynomial? Zero polynomial. What about the zero polynomial? Zero polynomial means constant polynomial. Means we write any constant value, then this is a zero polynomial. Clear? Now, this particular type, what is the meaning of this particular type? Particular type algebraic expression is called the polynomial. It means a polynomial, any algebraic expression is said to be polynomial if it has non-negative power and integer. Any algebraic expression is said to be polynomial if it has non-negative power, means power cannot be negative, and have integer. Power must be an integer. You can write it at, and power must be an integer. This algebraic expression is said to be polynomial. Now we check that from some example, then this is an algebraic expression or this is an polynomial. We are taking let x plus 1 by x. Firstly, we check this is a polynomial or algebraic expression according to our definition. We will write it as x plus x inverse. 1 by x is rewritten as x inverse. We are seeing here the power of x is in the negative. It is integer but it is negative, so that it is not a polynomial. Now, if I am writing here x square plus 5, then is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why it is a polynomial? Because the power of variable x is 2, which is integer and not negative, so that it is a polynomial. If I am taking x raised to the power minus 2 plus 5, again it is not a polynomial because it does not satisfy our definition of the polynomial. In the definition, again check it, we have written here in my definition, then non-negative power. The power cannot be negative for an algebraic expression. So that this is not a polynomial. Okay.